Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that number one, that is about 1 square. And we have the formula of this one. A square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So we apply this formula in here and we have about s minus 1 s plus 1. Next we need to use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s minus 1 and capital B over s plus 1. Later that we do common denominator. So about this one, that is missing about s plus 1 in here. So this one should be multiplied by s plus 1. About this one, this is missing about s minus 1. So we have b multiplied by s minus 1 in here. And this one should be about s plus 1 and s minus 1. Now we need to arrange based on the term of s. About s, we have a plus b. About the number, we have a minus b. Because a multiplied by number 1, we have positive a. B multiplied by negative number 1, we have negative b. Now we compare coefficient in here. We know that this is about number 1. So a minus b equals to number 1. We don't have s, so a plus b equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. So a plus b equals to number 0, a minus b equals to number 1. And now we need to find the solution of a and b. So a equals to 1 over 2, b equals to negative 1 over 2. And now we put the value a and b on here. So a equals to 1 over 2, b equals to negative 1 over 2. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s minus 1. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s plus 1, and we put about c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.